Africa is a continent full of beauty and amazing people. Its beauty can be seen through its places and its people. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that takes us to the heart of Africa, where the Woodabe tribe resides. Known for their unique traditions and vibrant culture, the Wodaabe people have caught our attention for another reason: the stunning and healthy hair of their women. The Wodaabe invest vast amounts of time and resources in their outward appearance, and the need to look and feel beautiful is not just something they do, it is a necessity of life, a necessity that must be exhibited. Hair is a sign of fertility. If a person's hair is thick and long, it symbolizes that they are able to bear healthy children. They also believe that their hair helps with divine communication. The Woodabe girls and women wear their hair with a few braids and a coiffure in the center of their head. They then decorate the braids with beads and cowrie shells. Let's look at how they got their hair to be so thick and luscious. The women apply fresh butter, which they make from fermented milk, every 3 days and wash it out after 2 or 3 weeks. The butter keeps the hair moisturized, allowing it to stay healthy and strong as they braid it up. Some women add chia bark to the butter, making it into a thick paste which they apply on the hair. Keeping the hair in braids locks the moisture in and also prevents the ends from breaking, letting them get the length that they desire. Another key factor is their minimalistic approach to hairstyling. Woodabe women typically keep their hairstyles simple and free-flowing, avoiding excessive use of heat and styling products. This allows their hair to maintain its natural strength and vitality. Because physical appearance is very important to the Woodabe community, a man who feels they do not have good hair or good looks may allow his wife to sleep with a more attractive man with a head full of hair, so that when she bears a child, the child will come out with the good looks and the good hair. Interesting, right? The Woodabe women are not the only tribe in Africa that take their hair seriously. Other communities that focus on their hair include the Himba women from Namibia. Himba dreadlocks are created by tightly twisting strands of hair and then coating them with a mixture of red ochre and animal fat, giving them a distinctive reddish-brown color. They view their dreadlocks as a symbol of their identity and cultural heritage, and their hairstyle is an important aspect of their traditional way of life. The Hama tribe of Ethiopia also have a unique hairstyle called the ochre dreadlocks. The hairstyle is characterized by tiny twists of hair which are coated with ochre, a natural earth pigment that ranges in color from yellow to deep orange. Colorful beaded jewelry are worn to enhance the beauty of the style. The Afar community, who live in Ethiopia's northeastern border, they use sticks to curl their hair in place, using dyery as a form of gel to lock it in. The Tutsi people of Rwanda also have a unique hairstyle known as amasunzu, which is a symbol of affluence in their society. The hair is braided into crescent shapes with sharp outlines in a series of rows. This particular hairstyle was worn by warriors to showcase their strength and bravery. There you have it, folks, the secrets behind the Woodabe tribe women's healthy and gorgeous hair. What do you feel about the Woodabe's way of taking care of their hair and their beliefs and thoughts on hair? Do you love your own natural hair? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know the hair routine that you use and feelings about African hair. Do you believe that we as Africans have fully embraced and loved our hair as they do? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, cheers and have a good one.